how to insert rows and columns in Excel. So if you want to insert rows and columns in your Excel, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Excel. After opening your Excel application, now here you will have your Excel sheets, right? You can just simply go with any sheet that you are comfortable with in which you would like to edit. So I'll just simply add columns at first. So for example, if I want to insert a column between this F and G, then what you need to do is just simply select the column, right click on it, and then here you will have insert option. Just go with insert and a column has been inserted. And if you want to delete that, you can right click on it and then go with delete. Now, if you want to insert a row, then you can just simply go with the row, select any row that you're comfortable with, right click on it, go with insert, and the row has been inserted. If you want to add more than one row, then you can right click again, go with insert, and the rows has been added. If you want to delete it, then select the rows that you would like to delete, right click on it, go with delete. That's how you can insert rows and columns in your Excel. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.